Hello, welcome to the SECULENS factory. Today we will show you SECULENS new product 12 times zoom lens, 15 to 185 millimeters, high definition super zoom C-mount industrial lens. It is compatible with 1/1.8-inch camera sensors, featuring a large f2.2 aperture, lockable manual errors and focus, and a durable metal housing. This lens is widely used in high-definition machine vision inspection, long-distance security camera, traffic snapshot capture, and long-range optical image acquisition. If you need it, please contact us. Choose high-quality lens. Choose SECULENS.